Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best 3M Claw is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any home improvement arsenal, especially when it comes to securely and invisibly hanging your cherished pictures, mirrors, and artwork without causing significant damage to your walls. This innovative hanging solution promises a clean, professional finish every time, making it a game-changer for renters and homeowners alike who want to elevate their decor without the hassle of traditional anchors or the fear of unsightly holes. Number 5. Jwxstore Heavy-Duty Adhesive Wall Hooks. Introducing our transparent adhesive hooks. Their unique design makes them virtually invisible, blending seamlessly with your home decor for a clean and stylish look. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and PVC, these hooks are built for durability. They are rust-resistant and color-fast, ensuring long-lasting performance even in humid environments. Forget drilling and nails. Simply peel off the backing and stick these hooks onto any smooth surface. They are perfect for tiles, glass, metal, and wooden doors, leaving no damage behind. These heavy-duty hooks are incredibly versatile. Use them as coat hooks, key hooks, towel hooks, or even for hanging plants and holiday decorations. They can support up to 33 pounds. This value set includes 12 adhesive wall hooks, providing a practical solution for organizing your home, kitchen, bathroom, and office. They are a modern and stylish addition to any space. The innovative 180-degree rotating design allows you to adjust the hook's position, maximizing space efficiency in any room. They are perfect for maximizing storage in tight areas. What we like. These hooks offer a nearly invisible look, perfect for maintaining your home's aesthetic. They are also waterproof and can rotate 180 degrees for flexible positioning. If you're looking for a discreet and versatile solution for bathrooms or kitchens, these are a great choice. What people say. The 3M Claw Drywall Picture Hanger is a great product that makes hanging pictures easy. It is very strong and can hold up to 20 pounds. The hanger is also very easy to install, with no tools required. Number 4. 3M Claw 15 pounds Drywall Picture Hanger, 5-pack. Introducing a pack of 5 heavy-duty hangers, each proven to hold up to 15 pounds. You can confidently hang your pictures, mirrors, and other cherished items. These hangers feature engineered steel claws that lock securely into drywall anywhere. This makes hanging large mirrors and art incredibly simple, without needing studs. Forget about anchors and studs. This drywall hanger offers an effortless solution for putting up your wall decor. Just push it in, hang your item, and you're done. Included spot markers take the guesswork out of placement. You can easily find the perfect spot for your decor without any measuring. Redecorate your space with ease. This hanger is reusable, allowing you to change up your home or office decor whenever you like. Need to take it down? Removal is simple. Just slide a flathead screwdriver between the hanger and the wall, then gently pull it away. What we like. Engineered steel claws lock directly into drywall without needing studs or anchors, making hanging simple. They also come with spot markers to eliminate guesswork. If you want a quick and easy way to hang items up to 15 pounds without damaging your walls, this is the product for you. What people say. The 3M Claw Drywall Picture Hanger is easy to install, just push it into the drywall until the claws engage. It holds pictures securely without needing tools or nails. The hanger is designed to be discreet and blend in with your wall. Number 3. 62 PCS Concrete Wall Hanging Kit. This comprehensive kit offers 62 pieces, including 7 different types of hooks and specialized nails, to meet all your hanging needs for various projects. Our hangers leave only tiny pinholes, virtually invisible on your walls. When it's time to move, they can be easily removed and the small holes painted over for a seamless finish. Forget the drill. Installation is quick and easy. Simply position the hook and gently tap the nail into place with a hammer. Your items will be securely mounted in seconds. These hooks are designed to work on a variety of surfaces including concrete, brick, plaster, and drywall. They are perfect for decorating any room in your home or office. Unleash your creativity. Use these versatile hooks to hang anything from photo frames and art to clocks and keys. Transform any blank wall into a personalized space. Crafted with high-quality plastic and hardened steel nails, this kit is built to last. You can trust it to provide reliable support and keep your valuable decor securely in place for years. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides multiple hook sizes and accessories for various hanging needs, including concrete and cinder block walls. It creates only tiny pinholes, minimizing wall damage. If you have a variety of wall types and need a complete solution for different weights and surfaces, this kit is ideal. What people say. The 3M Claw Drywall Picture Hanger is incredibly easy to install, requiring no tools or drilling. It holds pictures securely up to 15 pounds, making it suitable for a variety of frames. The unique claw design grips firmly into drywall, preventing damage and ensuring stability. Number 2. 3M Claw Drywall Picture Hangers Variety Pack. Introducing the 3M Claw Drywall Picture Hangers. This variety pack is designed to securely hold your heaviest items, like mirrors and large art, without any hassle. Forget about finding studs or using anchors. Our engineered hardened steel claws lock directly into drywall anywhere, making installation incredibly simple. The installation process is as easy as push, hang, and done. You can hang large mirrors, art, or photos effortlessly. No need for measuring tapes or guesswork. The included spot markers help you find the perfect spot for your decor with precision. Redecorate your space as often as you like. These hangers are reusable, offering a flexible solution for your home or office decor needs. Enjoy your beautifully decorated walls without the worry of large holes. Our hangers leave no regrets, only perfectly placed decor. What we like. This variety pack offers hangers with capacities up to 45 pounds, all designed with hardened steel claws that lock into drywall without studs. They leave no big holes, making removal and redecoration stress-free. If you need to hang very heavy items like large mirrors or art and want a reliable, damage-free solution, this pack is excellent. What people say. The 3M Claw Drywall Picture Hanger is designed to hold up to 20 pounds, making it suitable for a variety of frames. Installation is straightforward, as the hanger can be pushed directly into drywall without the need for tools. The unique claw design provides a secure grip on the drywall, preventing the hanger from slipping or damaging the wall. Number 1. 3M Claw Drywall Picture Hanger. Introducing the 3M Claw Picture Hanger, designed for strength and durability. It's the perfect solution for hanging heavy mirrors or artwork securely. Its engineered hardened steel claw locks firmly into your drywall. This ensures your items stay put without any hassle. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools to find a stud. Just push it into the drywall and it's ready to go. It comes with a spot marker to help you pinpoint the exact location for your mirror or art. Get the perfect placement every time. This hanger creates only 3 small holes, making wall repairs simple and easy. Enjoy a clean look after hanging. Crafted from high-quality steel, it provides a reliable and long-lasting hanging solution. Trust it to hold your cherished items. What we like. Featuring a strong, durable steel claw that securely locks into drywall, this hanger is perfect for heavy items. Installation is straightforward, requiring no tools to find studs, and it only makes 3 small holes that are easy to repair. If you prioritize a strong hold for heavy decor with minimal, easily fixable wall impact, this is a solid option. What people say. The 3M Claw Drywall Picture Hanger is a great product that holds pictures securely. It is easy to install and requires no tools. The hanger is also very strong and can hold up to 20 pounds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.